Hi, my name is Oznobkin and I'm DAO.Casino's CTO. I have 2 decades of versatile experience in IT as a software developer, architect and delivery manager in such companies as Luxoft, Artesio, Nobet, etc. At DAO.Casino, I'm responsible for the delivery of the casino platform and all the entails, such as blockchain integration, the wallet and so on. I previously spent several years working for a Russian iBanking software development company. During this period, I watched the industry become increasingly centralized and state-owned. By 2017, I'd become fascinated by decentralized solutions and first explored the blockchain space with attempts at creating startups related to crypto exchanges. As time has moved on, I have evolved into venturing deeper into blockchain technology. DAO.Casino has a very interesting project with the capacity to create a whole new generation for the gambling industry, using revolutionary solutions for gambling 3.0. Starting my job at DAO.Casino afforded me the opportunity to be a part of that journey. Aside from blockchain being a very technically interesting and challengingly complex technology, I'm interested in it for wider reasons too. I'm driven by the capacity of blockchain to provide humanity with the chance to build more democratic societies, harnessing and leveraging decentralization and censorship resistance. The DAO.Casino platform consists of several high-level components. The blockchain itself, designed to enable high-speed transactions with finality and on-chain random beacon, smart contracts that increase in transparency in calculations for all participants within the gambling process, casino, game developers, affiliates, gamers, casino front-end and back-end storing customizations, preferences, games files, all the things for which there is no meaning to store them in blockchain. Compared to existing casino models, DAO.Casino far outstrips their capabilities. The main benefits of our tech include depositless gaming. Casinos on our platform don't own players' assets for any period of time. Instead, tokens are reserved only during the game session and are locked into smart contracts on the blockchain. That way, platform owners need not worry about custody management, while players can rest assured they won't have accounts blocked. Provably fair, our technology provides immutable mathematical proof of fairness in the game. Along with game results, we send proof that all processes, from the random numbers to the game logic, are truly fair and have not been tampered with. Transparent revenue share calculations. All calculations concerning distribution of tokens among affiliates, game developers, casino owners, etc. are made on the blockchain for complete transparency. Transactions are validated and submitted to the blockchain by validators or block producers. In most blockchains, validators receive a reward for creating blocks through transaction verification. To become a validator in proof-of-work protocols such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need high-performance computing devices, graphic cards or ASICs. However, in delegated proof-of-stake protocol, you also need to own a certain number of tokens classed as your stake. The number of blocks that you can produce is proportional to your stake. You can run your own node, a server with blockchain, and delegate your tokens to it. Or you can delegate tokens to someone else's node. So, to become a DAO.Casino blockchain validator, you have to run a blockchain node and stake some bets to it. The blockchain node code is open source. You can find it in our DAO.Casino Git repository as DC blockchain. The near-term goal is to launch testnet 2.0 with governance implemented. Governance, for those who don't know, is basically a set of rules for the future evolution of the blockchain and its internal management. Currently, our test network has passed a series of benchmark tests which confirm it as having the highest standards of reliability and performance. In our latest load test, it was 1000 transactions per second. With that load, we have achieved 1.1 seconds finality. This shows that our run-path finality algorithm is not sensitive to the amount of transactions per second and can give extremely quick finality under enormous pressure. We have issued an article on our website answering this question in details. But briefly, We need an established working blockchain with high performance and short block time. That's EOS. We need deterministic finality. We have implemented it with the EOS fork. We need an on-chain random beacon. We know that we can implement it via our EOS fork. We need modern and mature virtual machines. EOS has WebAssembly and that works for us. There will be a token bridge. You freeze bad tokens in Ethereum and receive the same amount of tokens in DAO.Casino blockchain. All previous games were developed using our SDK. We left the facade of the SDK as backward compatible as we possibly could. With a few little changes, all JS code will continue working. Either way, game developers will have to rewrite the code that was written in Solidity language for smart contracts. Our new SDK tutorial will be available in Q3. Thank you for your questions and attention. Join our social media channels. You can find the links in the description to this video. Bye!